Hi, this is Thunder E from Booredatwork. We're taking a look at the Razer Nabu, which we saw at CES earlier this year. And now we're taking a good hands-on look, which means it's on, and we can actually check out the device.
All right. So this is the Razer Nabu. This is what it looks like since we announced. We kind of removed the top screen that was just there for notifications and focused completely on your personal private messaging screen, which is on the bottom. So when you turn the wrist around, the screen turns on, and it basically shows you if you have any notifications. The band vibrates, you get a notification, you can see that. You can see the time of day, you can cycle through with the single button, see how many steps you walk, so all the normal fitness data you get there. Of course, the number one thing is you get your notifications that you get through your iOS notification center or your Android notification center. And then the third thing, of course, as mentioned at CES, we're making this completely open. So we actually today we launched our software development kit and all the APIs that software developers need to integrate their apps with this hardware. So, for example, if Runkeeper would want to integrate our hardware with their fitness data, for example, they could do that. They wouldn't have to build their own fitness tracking band. They could just hook onto our band and kind of get the data from our servers. So their users could basically just use our band and upload their calories burned and
now, is the band adjustable?
Band is adjustable in 2 sizes. So right now I'm using the bigger size. There's a bit of a smaller connection clasp. So this is the clasp right now. There's a smaller one of these to make it a bit tighter. The band is not quite final yet in its texture. It's getting very close, but it's going to have a bit of a textured surface rather than the smooth one here. But yeah, right now, what we just announced today, the beta program that starts on July 10th, and 500 people will be able to get the band for $1 each. Okay. But only 500, and they can sign up right now on Razerzone.com/Nabu to be available to get that band for $1. But only on July 10th they will have to go onto our website again. First come, first serve. Out of those people who signed up, and first 500 can get the band for $1. Simultaneously, we are starting to ship units to developers that actually want to integrate software, and those units will go out for $49.99. And then the final retail will be starting from October and will be $99.99.
Thanks.
All right. Now, one last question.
Yeah.
Can you go through the notifications on there again? Like exactly which notifications you get?
Basically, right now it doesn't work on my band, but you will get all notifications that you get through your iOS notification center. So it basically depends on your phone setup. If you're set up to get notifications for WhatsApp, for iMessage, for email, for Facebook, basically for any application that you set up in your phone, you will get that here as well.
Does that have to be on an app, the Razer app on your phone, or just...
No, it's basically out of the box in your normal iPhone settings. Like in the settings for notifications in the iPhone, whatever you set up there will be passed directly to the band.
Okay. Just to clarify, this isn't just iPhone specific, it's also Android.
Yes, it is. So iPhone, Android, and we're working on Windows, but that's lagging behind a little bit. So
yes, it's coming.
Yeah, it is probably coming. So yeah, we started working on that.
All right. Well, thanks.
Thank you.
All right.
Can we just do some